In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set all parts to only me on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And first off, you need to open up Facebook app. Once it's done, tap right here at your profile to go to your Facebook profile. After that, tap at these 3 dots and then go to Activity Log. Here, first off, we need to tap at your Facebook activity right here to expand it. After that, tap at that arrow next to pause to expand that menu. And that's where you can easily find your photos and videos. You need to tap right on it. What that will do, that will show you all your photos and videos on Facebook. Now we need to hit right here at all to select all of them at once. After that, tap right here at these 3 dots. Then go to Change Audience. Hit at Change Audience again, and you will be taken to that page where you can both edit privacy for all the boss you've selected. To set all pause to only just select only me here, and then hit change. After a couple of seconds, new privacy settings will be applied. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button